people, am I the only one that hardly skip any movie where this girl Lizzy go day into? Like, this girl pack action full for body. I love all her movies. Like, chai.
Our family solution is here. Your bola no dey get himself. You don't turn dikeh for down. The thing they do screpa. I there for you. I there for you. You get staphylococcus, you get pal, you get syphilis, even HIV. The family solution they here. Your bola they work at all. Get oil don't show.
Wetin this girl never asked for these Nollywood movies, eh? Oh yeah, my people, I love Lizzy good, no be for mouth. Let's go and support.
Beauty! Come here. What is wrong with you? Why would you bring men to this house and start interviewing them? Are you out of your mind? Are you mad?
No, ma, I'm just there help you.
Help? Oh, what do you know about marriage?
Ma, you know say you these days, you don't they drink, you know they chop because of your condition, everything. I say make I help you find Mr. Right.
Beauty, did I do wrong by accommodating you? Why are you making life difficult for me? Why?
Mom, I'm sorry, but okay, no, but I'm not going to interfere for your matter again.
You better don't pick up action. You better be, because the next time you interfere into my life, I will call the security to throw you out.
So why you always threaten me with that particular word? And because you know, sir, I don't get anywhere to go. You know, good now. I don't say I'm sorry. I'm sorry, no beg.
I will not warn you again. Stay out of my life. Stay out of my issues. I am frustrated already, and you're adding more frustrations to it. What is wrong with you? I will not warn you again. Nonsense.
Once Lizzy go there inside the movie, you already know what's up. Igenge.
I said, where is the pregnant lady you kidnapped earlier today?
Go to hell! I said go to
My people, this is the behind the scene of Lizzy Go latest movie that is upcoming. Let us space for it, guys. Who know Lizzy Go should tell am say life na jeje, life na small. The kind passion this girl they take at her. So today she fell off from a power bike while on set. I just hope she is fine.